Well, it's April and 80 degrees in Ramona, so why not have a car show, right? Well, it's April and 80 degrees in Ramona, so why not have a car show, right? And every year they do the Senior Center car show, and they also have cruise nights on Thursdays. And it's a pretty cool little thing. Every time you do one of these things, all the proceeds go to help seniors eat, and who can say no to that? And so I thought we'd bring the truck out for its very first car show. Obviously it's running good and everything. And yeah, we're just out here having some fun. I'll keep you updated on all the other fun things that I see, but right now, I don't know, it's gonna be hard to beat. We also brought out the Deadwood. Whitney decided to ride it out here. So it's her first time on the Deadwood too, by the way. It's a damn good bike. So we'll see how it does. You know, you never know from a car show. We don't have too many competitors here, but yeah, I know. And I need to put, one of the other ones in the show. It's just the Deadwood cleans up the best. You know what I mean? So, but don't tell Ed that I'll get the Jenny in a show soon. I swear. A Bel Air. I've never seen one of these before. No one embraced the 70s quite like AMC. It's not as old as you think it is. Both of these are driven more than you think they are. Historical plates are a bummer. It deserves more than historical plates. It's my brother from another mother. When the new turbo has a bigger CCs than the original engine. Back when Volvo used to have fun. Chevy Bel Air. I've never seen one of these before. Poor Dodges are rarer than hen's teeth. I like to see the 250s represent. Another good 250. This lady loves talking. And then we got the car show exit. So the best at show was that Caddy over there, the LaSalle. That was a good car, all original. Obviously, I didn't win anything. Like you all know with Excelsior-Hendersons, nobody knows who we are. Nobody knows what we're doing. And I lost to a 2013 Moto Guzzi that's been downed once. So, what could you do? But it's always a good time. I hear something. There it is. So yeah, let's watch these things leave. man. But we're looking for a very special vehicle. Whitney took the Deadwood down here for me, and we gotta wait for her to come out. It's her first time riding the Deadwood. Here's my AMX. God, I miss AMC. No one quite embraced malaise like AMC. She blows. And Element Theo on the radio. Deluxe. Shake that.